In this episode of I Tried It, I test a viral side hustle that claims that you can make $783.99 plus with a new untouched method and using ChatGPT. What we're going to do is we're going to talk about this video. We're going to talk about if it's possible and definitely some better options. So make sure you watch this entire video to learn if this works. Hello, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I create content to actually help you make money online and not just to put money into my own pockets. And if you want to be added to this globe, simply reply or comment down below with your city, state, province, country, and I'll get you pinned. Now, as I mentioned in this video, we are going to test this side hustle. Again, it says ChatGPT generates $783.99 per day with a new Untouched Method AI bot affiliate marketing. We are going to test it. I'm going to tell you exactly what this is and some definitely better opportunities. So first things first, how many different ways can you say the exact same thing is what I thought after I watched this video. This video, which is about 15 minutes long, is just like 3 other videos that I've tried. Basically, what he says to do in this original video, he says you're going to use ChatGPT to create content for Quora. Quora is a question and answer site. It's one of the largest sites out there in the world. It's basically user generated. Now, Quora itself, there's absolutely nothing wrong with Quora. The thing that becomes troublesome is the actual methods that he suggests. So basically what he says to do is go over to Quora, and I'm going to walk you through the right way to do this in just a second. But he says go over to Quora. You are going to copy a question and then paste it right into ChatGPT. And then you're going to copy the answer and you're going to paste the answer back into Quora. And then you are going to put in your affiliate link. Okay, so just to show you that I do have some experience with Quora, I'm going to show you my stats. And one thing I always look for when it comes to if someone makes sense or not is to take a look at what they're saying and how they're saying it. Now, I have been uploading to Quora, which is quote unquote untouched, for a number of years now. In fact, it was one of the ways that I actually drove my YouTube channel. So what the original content creator does or says you should do, I don't know that he actually does it. He says you should just grab questions and answers, put them right into Quora, grab your ClickBank affiliate link, grab your Digistore24 affiliate link, and just paste it right into Quora. If you do that, your account will be banned and your answer will get taken down. Those are 2 of the problems with this method. Another issue with the method is he doesn't tell you actually the right way to find questions to answer. So I'm not a huge fan of this video as a person that has, as you can see on my screen here, uploaded. I actually haven't uploaded anything on Quora in a while, but you can see my stats, 1,500 views. If we take a look at all time, I have close to 90,000 views, a number of upvotes and comments. But now that we have the 20-minute video summed up in about 5, he wants you to use ChatGPT to answer questions. And if you do it the way he says, you're going to get your account banned. Now, I know this from personal experience. When I first got started with Quora, what I did was I watched a large YouTuber who said, go grab your Bluehost affiliate link and put your Bluehost affiliate link in your Quora answers. I did that and I almost got my account banned. I did this most recently a couple weeks ago and my answer was taken down within 8 minutes. I'll link to the original video that I did this for so that you can see it. Now that you know that that process will not work properly for you, let's talk about the right way to do it. The first thing that you want to do is you do want to go up to the search bar in Quora and you might want to type in your niche. Maybe we'll say weight loss, okay? And then you are going to click on weight loss. Now, this is one of 2 methods that I'm going to show you. The next thing that you should do is you should sort by questions, because one of the mistakes that the original content creator made is he didn't sort by questions. So he's going to get answers in there. He's going to get blog posts. He's going to get all sorts of stuff that he doesn't want. You want to sort by questions so that you can actually answer questions. The second thing that you want to do is you want to sort by at least the past week. So you're answering recent questions that don't have a bunch of answers already filling up the space. And so if you can answer questions that are recent, that gives you the best opportunity to talk directly to the person that is looking for help. So those are 2 of the things that I recommend that you do if you decide to answer questions on Quora. The next thing is, instead of sending people to an affiliate link and getting your account taken down, I recommend that you send people to a YouTube channel, which is what I did, to a blog post or a landing page. Now, a landing page is just going to be designed to collect someone's name and their email so that you can follow up with email marketing. And those are real easy to set up. If you want to get started for free, you can use something like system.io. If you don't want to collect emails, which is a whole nother topic, as an affiliate marketer, you need to be collecting emails. You can use something like Google Sites to kind of redirect people. But what you want to do in your answer is, start off with the answer from ChatGPT. Within the first 2 or 3 lines before it gets cut off, you want to say, hey, I've put together a free weight loss ebook to help you get going. They're going to click on that link. It's going to go over to your landing page. They're going to enter their name and their email. And just like that, you are going to start building an affiliate marketing business, which is going to actually be successful over the long period of time. Now, again, you can start for free using system.io. You could also use GetResponse, Aweber. It doesn't really matter if you're going to do email marketing, which is what I highly recommend. So the second way that you can do this is you can use a paid keyword research tool called Ahrefs. Now, Ahrefs is basically a website that you can use to find keywords that rank. Okay, and so what we're going to do here is I typed in Quora in the Site Explorer. We are going to click on keywords just like that. And then under keywords, it's going to give us a list of every single keyword that the Quora website ranks, or that Quora ranks for. We're going to change the position to 5 or less, because one of the other benefits of using a site like Quora is that some Quora answers actually will rank on the first page of Google. And if you can get your answer ranked on the first page of Google, that almost provides like a limitless amount of leads to your landing page, YouTube channel, whatever it may be. So I've changed the positioning to 5 or less. So we are going to filter these keywords by, we're going to filter these keywords by answers that show up on the first page of Google in the top 5. And so if I click on show results, now I should give you a warning that some stuff from Quora is not safe from work. So heads up, okay? Some of this stuff might actually need to be blocked out just in case, because it can get kind of graphic over on Quora. So some of this stuff we would not be interested in. A lot of this stuff we might not be interested in. We can just kind of keep scrolling. A lot of this, like I said, is going to be blocked off because Quora can get kind of nasty from time to time. So what you'd want to do is you can find ones that rank on Quora. Another option is to enter in a keyword. So what we're going to do is we're going to type in weight loss like this. And so this is going to help us find keywords that rank in the top 5 positions on Quora. So we click on show results just like that. All right, so we've got some results here. It says 20-pound weight loss face, 72-hour fast weight loss results. So what we could do in theory is you could copy any one of these. We'll say 72-hour fast weight loss results. We're going to copy this. I'm going to paste it in a new Google page just to see that this actually shows up on the first page of Quora. And so if we can get our answers ranked here, we can get unlimited traffic. Now that you have a keyword that actually gets a ton of traffic, you would then want to go over to ChatGPT. Right now it's forbidden for me. It's not working. It looks like the site's down again. Oh, there we go. We're just going to log in here real quick. All right, so we are going to get logged in. I am going to paste in that question that we found, or that comment that we found, the keyword, and I'm going to paste it right into ChatGPT. It's going to give us an answer, and then we're going to hit enter. And then what we're going to do is, it says here, it is not safe. We could copy this and then paste it into Quora. Now, what I recommend that you do from this point is you want to massage this just a little bit. Don't just copy and paste from ChatGPT. It's a tool. It's an assistant. It should not be your entire copywriting team. And so, again, you're going to copy this. You would paste it in Quora, but you would also add in a link or a call to action to your landing page, YouTube channel, or blog post. Okay, once you do that, that's going to give you more opportunities to be successful. And you're just going to keep doing that again and again and again. I recommend that you do about 5 to 6 answers per day, just so that you're not spamming Quora. That's all stuff that they measure as well. And you don't get kicked out. You don't lose the post that you have. And again, that's what I use. This is how I use Quora to start building up my YouTube channel. You simply go find questions that are related to your niche, you answer them, and then you send people back to, hey, I got a full-length YouTube video answering this exact question. If you have more questions, reach out to me on YouTube. But this is the right way to use ChatGPT and Quora. It is not to put your affiliate links in Quora. Absolutely do not do that, because your account will be banned sooner rather than later. If you want to grow a real affiliate marketing business, build a landing page. It takes 20 minutes. send your traffic to that landing page. You can actually use ChatGPT to help build a lead magnet. You can use ChatGPT to build your landing page too, but again, you want to use it as a tool and not the whole business. So for example, what you could do is say, create a lead magnet for weight loss for beginners. Hit enter, and then ChatGPT is actually going to come up with an outline for you. Now, again, this should not be your sole writing copywriting. You need to massage this. You need to make sure that you are editing this, and so that it sounds like a human did it and not like a robot. But this is how you actually use ChatGPT. This is how you use Quora, and this is how you can build a real affiliate marketing business. Now that you know the real way to use Quora and affiliate marketing, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start for a free affiliate marketing planner. That planner is going to help you plan and organize your affiliate marketing business so that you can make more money online. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start to learn more. Watch this video next because YouTube says it's going to help you build your online business.